In today's digital age, achieving financial success often hinders on harnessing the potential of the internet. Among the myriad of opportunities available, search engine optimization stands out as a powerful tool for individuals and businesses looking to go from £0 to £1 million in revenue. Google, being the dominant search engine, plays a pivotal role in this journey. This video explores the strategies and steps required to leverage SEO in Google to transform a business from £0 to £1 million in revenue. Understanding the power of SEO. Before diving into the specifics, it's crucial to grasp the significance of SEO in the digital landscape. SEO is the practice of optimizing a website and its content to rank higher in search engine result pages organically. When done effectively, SEO can lead to increased visibility, traffic, and ultimately revenue. Google, with its vast user base and sophisticated algorithms, is the primary platform for SEO endeavors. Laying the foundation, market research and niche selection. To embark on the journey from £0 to £1 million using SEO in Google, it's essential to choose the right niche. Extensive market research can help you identify profitable niches with adequate demand and competition. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner and Google Trends to spot trends and keywords that align with your chosen niche. Website development and optimization. A well-structured and user-friendly website is the cornerstone of SEO success. Invest in a professional website design and ensure that it's mobile-friendly. Optimize website speed, navigation, and user experience. Implement on-page SEO techniques like meta tags, header tags, and keyword optimization. Content creation and strategy. High-quality content. Content is king in the world of SEO. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Invest in blogs, articles, videos, infographics, and other content formats. Aim to solve your audience's problems and answer their questions. Keyword research and optimization. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify relevant keywords with high search volumes and low competition. Integrate these keywords naturally into your content, titles, and meta descriptions. Content promotion. Content creation is only half of the battle. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, and reach out to the relevant websites in your niche. Quality backlinks from authoritative sources can significantly boost your website's SEO ranking. Technical SEO. Site structure and navigation. Ensure that your website has a clear and logical structure. Use XML sitemaps to help search engines crawl and index your pages efficiently. Implement breadcrumb navigation to enhance user experience. Page speed optimization. Google prioritizes fast-loading websites. Minimize image sizes, enable browser caching, and use content delivery networks, also known as CDN, to improve your page speed. Mobile optimization. With the rise of mobile users, Google gives preference to mobile-friendly websites. Ensure that your site is responsive and optimized for mobile devices. Monitoring and analytics. Google Analytics. Regularly monitor your website's performance using Google Analytics. Analyze traffic source, user behavior, and conversion rates, and use this data to fine-tune your SEO strategy. Google Search Console. Use Google Search Console to monitor your website's presence in Google search results. Identify and fix crawl errors, indexing issues, and receive valuable insights about your website's performance. Scaling and monetization. Diversify income streams. To reach the £1 million mark, consider diversifying your income streams. This could include affiliate marketing, selling digital products or services, or offering premium content. Paid advertising. As your revenue grows, consider investing in paid advertising campaigns on Google Ads. This can complement your organic SEO efforts and drive targeted traffic. Going from £0 to £1 million using SEO in Google is challenging, but it is an attainable goal. It requires a well thought out strategy, consistent effort, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. By conducting thorough research, optimizing your website, creating high quality content, and staying up to date with SEO best practices, you can leverage the power of Google's search engine to achieve remarkable financial success. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, and adapting to changes in search algorithms and user behavior is essential for long-term sustainability. With dedication and persistence, the path to £1 million becomes more achievable than ever in the digital age. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more insightful digital marketing tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.